I'm Alex from Treasure Coast House Hunters. Today we're at PGA Village Verano in Port St. Lucie, Florida, and I'm so excited to introduce you to the Taylor model. This stunning home features 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a spacious 3-car garage, and even space for your own pool. Let's step inside and discover the elegance within. For more information, check the comments below and remember to hit that subscribe button for access to all of our videos. Now, let's start the tour. Step inside and you'll be greeted by those signature 11-foot 4-inch volume ceilings which rise gracefully to a jaw-dropping 12 feet in the coffered tray ceilings found throughout. As you make your grand entrance, the 14-foot coffered tray ceiling in the entryway sets the tone for the opulence that awaits within. Now, here's where the fun begins. At PGA Verano, you're the boss of your dream home. Personalization options are in abundance. Fancy a second floor bonus room? Done. Need extra garage space? You can extend it by 4 feet. And for those who crave more room in the rear lanai or the master bedroom, PGA Verano can make it happen with a 4-foot extension. These homes sit on generous lots with a width of at least 70 feet and a depth of 130 feet. That's ample outdoor space for your creative ideas, whether it's a lush garden, a dazzling pool area, or a serene sanctuary. And rest assured, all PGA Verano homes are backed by a comprehensive 10-year builder's warranty, ensuring your investment's longevity and security. Safety first! These homes are engineered to withstand the toughest of storms, surpassing the latest storm codes. With solid concrete block construction and hurricane impact glass all around, these homes are unmatched protection. Plus, those concrete tile roofs not only look great, but keep your homeowner's insurance astonishingly affordable. But the luxury experience doesn't end with construction. When you're under contract for your PGA Verano home, you'll have the privilege of collaborating with a talented designer. Together, you'll design every aspect of your interior finishes, from hand-picked countertops to exquisite cabinetry and sumptuous flooring. Thank you for joining us today on this exclusive tour of PGA Verano in the heart of Port St. Lucie, Florida. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the luxurious lifestyle this community has to offer. Before we wrap up, we'd like to share something important with you. If you're considering making PGA Verano your new home or exploring other new construction communities in the Treasure Coast area, it's crucial to have the right guidance. Builders in these communities often require that you work with a trusted real estate team from your very first visit. That's where we come in, the Treasure Coast House Hunters team. Working with us means you'll have a dedicated navigator throughout the entire process and beyond. Moving to a new community can bring many questions and uncertainties, but with us, you're just a phone call or text message away from answers and support. We're here to make your transition seamless and enjoyable. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos showcasing incredible homes and communities. We value your feedback. Please take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your opinions matter to us, and we're always striving to create content that resonates with you. For more information on PGA Verano and other communities, or to get in touch with us directly, you can find all our contact details in the video description below. Once again, thank you for joining us today. We look forward to being your trusted partners in finding your dream home in the Treasure Coast. Until next time, take care and stay inspired.